Reflection on Chapter 1 to 5. Chapter 1, Operational Management in Hospitality. In this chapter, I gain a deeper understanding on how critical operational management is to the overall success of the hospitality industry. It became clear to me that effective operational management ensures efficiency, customer satisfaction, and profitability. I particularly appreciated the emphasis of process optimization, cost control, and the importance of aligning daily operations with the strategic goal of organization. Managing resources, both human and physical, effectively while maintaining high service standards seems to be the key to stay competitive in this fast-paced industry. Chapter 2, Quality Service Operation in Tourism and Hospitality. This chapter highlighted the fundamental connection between service quality and customer satisfaction. Quality and customer satisfaction in tourism and hospitality. It was struck by the realization that service excellence is not just about fulfilling basic expectation, but about joining above and beyond the create memorable experience for guests. It reinforced the idea that quality service directly impact customer loyalty, word of mouth, and recommendations, which are invaluable in an industry so reliant on reputation. The concept of continuous improvement and the importance of consistency in service delivery stood out to me as vital factor of achieving long-term success. Chapter 3, Recruitment in the Hospitality Industry. Recruitment in the hospitality industry is a critical process that affects the overall performance of culture and organization. This chapter helped me appreciate the complexities involved in hiring the right talents, for understanding job requirements, to conduct interviews, and selecting individuals who fit the company's value. What resonated most with me was the importance of recruiting for attitude and potential. In addition to skills, the hospitality industry demands employees who can handle high-pressure situations with professionalism and a positive, making cultural fits just as important as qualification. Chapter 4, Training and Developing in the Hospitality Industry. Training and development are essential components for fostering a capable, motivated workforce in the hospitality industry. This chapter emphasizes how continuous training can improve staff performance, enhance customer service, and increase employee satisfaction. I was particularly drawn to the idea that investing in employee development not only benefits the organization but also contributes the individual career growth. The focus on both technical and soft skill, such as communication and problem solving, highlighted how well-rounded training program can lead to improve employee engagement and retention. Chapter 5, Employee Discipline. The concept of employee discipline is one that struck me as essential in maintaining a productive and respectful work environment. This chapter made me realize that having a clean, fair, and consistent discipline process is key to addressing issues before the escape and ensuring all employees understand the standard accepted for them. While discipline can be challenging, it is important tool for maintaining professionalism, ensuring that employee meets organizational expectation, and fostering accountability. The chapter also stressed the importance of a balanced approach when discipline is applied with empathy and fairness.